badala ngikhohlwa nje eyogcina I-prayer point mfundisi ngiyaxolisa ngiyaphinda ngithatha isikhathi sakho la it's just one point sengithole anti niyazi ukuthi kune case ebebengimophise ngayo ekhaya ubaba simbiza uZwide Kalanga uyivusele icase yakhona iyahlala ngoJuly mid July I think 18 or 19 or 20 yeah 20 yeah sika July
kunzima ukuyixoxa over the past 150 to 200 years without mentioning the name Kamzilikazi. So if you are struggling to legitimize isizwe sakho, the best example of history is to utilize history yakho, whether yimpi, whether ukuhlobana nomzilikazi, kodwa istory sakho, narrative yakho kufuze benjani idlule kwigama likaMzilikazi ukhokho wesizwe. Nangamabhunu nawo ekho esithi bona abazi indaba yokuthatha umhlaba okulwisana nomhlaba ngaphandle kolwisana nomzilikazi. Kusho basho ngomlomo wabo nje bexabana nomuntu wonke eSouth Africa kodwa bayasidentify thina ukuthi singabantu abane-history abayisherayo nabo benzani bazama ukulegitimize isizwe sabo lapho. Take a page out of that. Take a page out of that. As anybody that wants to legitimize their own part of history. Our history has no black pages. Ngizama ukuthi qhakathekile ke sakhe ama-relations regionally lezizwe. Njengoba la manje sesiseZambia eZambia sithe safika inhlonipho esiyithole lapha zange sayithola ngisho ekhaya. Ngitshela ukuthi ngiqamba mama. Ngoba nabo i-legitimization yabo ihamba ibelolobhekula phakathi. So they understand ukuthi bangaphuma history yabo ngaphandle komention lobhekula, they only affect isizwe sabo kuphela, but they've got no history beyond their borders. That is the legitimization ekhuluma ngayo. So qhakathekile ke siqalise ukubonisa abantu ukuthi kunama-South African heritage sites that we talk about isizwe sakithi. We exist, we have always existed. Zange sinyamala sigcine sesiyenyinto sihlala singamahlabi singuthwaka singumadabelelende. Futhi sizohlala for another couple of 100 years and 1,000 years siyentwini. Asibambaneni, sithandaneni, sisebenzisaneni. Bahlala izulu amahle. Mhlanje ke siyasahlala sathi hayi akhe sicele kuThixo uma lusolungileyo ukuthi asikhokhele ngoba izinto ziningi, abantu baningi, inkinga ziningi, izitha ziningi, futhi nama blessings azayo maningi. Ake sithathe ithuba senzeni sicilini kwabafundisi abasikhokhele kumkhuleko ukuthi isizwe siphuhluke sibambane. Sabe sesicela ke ubaba uMkheswa, sathi Mkheswa ingane zakho kuyanetha sicela indlu sifake emzini nakho. UMkheswa wathi khumala kanti ubulindeleni, what were you waiting for so long? Wavuma. So in our recent inputs and comments in the white paper on immigration raises a pertinent overemphasis of colonial borders as protectors of the regional development instead of looking at the cross-border cultural relations or as spearheaders of the regional cooperation and sustainable development. Cultural relations must form the basis of our regional integration and economic development. Angazi manje ngiyayizwa le ndaba. Ngithi yini bengiseMalawi, ngaphuma eMalawi ngangena eZambia. Ngikhamba eMzansi ngangena futhi eZimbabwe. Ngaphuma eZimbabwe ngangena eBotswana. Lapho inye into esihlanganisayo iculture. Iculture, ihistory, iheritage. So the longest street eBotswana, just a simple example, is Lobengula Avenue.
nangu lo Bhengula nangu lo Bhengula ngiyaphinda ngiyanitshela awukhona ukukhuluma ngeheritage nehistory yeSouthern Africa ungakhulumi ngesizwe sakithi. You can't, it's impossible. Uzobe uqamba amanga ngoba even umfundisi uzongitshela to leave out a fact oyaziyo mawukhuluma iqiniso lakho ngamanga. Labo bafisa ukusivalela ngaphandle basifaya ngaphansi komhlaba ngabantu bamanga. Ningabavumeli. Ngizama ukusho mfundisi. So let's just keep that in mind. Cultural relations must form the basis of our regional integration and economic development. Our history and the diversity of our constituent tribes puts our nation in a position of direct intercultural interactions and therefore direct relations with 8 of the 14 countries in Southern Africa. The geopolitical developments and global economic demand the use of our intercultural relations to spearhead and define our regional unity and cooperation. Mzambulo, for the longest of time, sasihlangana neNganyamba uKing Zwelithini. uKing Zwelithini wathi Mandonga nibuya nini nizothatha umhlaba wenu la kwaZulu. That in itself is economic incorporation. Ngoba umnotho usemhlabeni, unganomhlaba unako konke. Yiko ke umsebenzi lo besiyomenza yokwakho ubuhlobo nabakwaZulu was so important. That is why it's so important. Ngoba kusasa you don't know what you'll gain by just supporting another king. Today iSilo Mrs. Zulu is fighting over his land. The argument yakhe is ilifa leli lakhe libhalwe ngaye kodwa akanamandla yo control ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalo seyicontrolwa ngumuntu ohlezi eofficeini e16th floor somewhere is incorrect. Ngazwakalela ngoba nami ngihlezi nginkinga efanayo. Ngashayi ndoda asibambanisa sibone ukuthi sizokwenza kanjani. Ngathi nami nawe mabutho ngizokuboleka. Ngizokuboleka sizoyilwa lento. Sizoyilwa sibambene ngezandla wavuma wabonga. Ngizama ukuthi mahlaba ezulu amahle kuqhakathekile ukuthi ungahlali nje ongumuntu ucela noma ngenye isikhathi uzosizwa ngosike nawe uzama ukusiza ngokuncane okunako. Qhakathekile ama events abo so attend. Akula need ya invite kukini lapha. Njengoba ukini eGoli, njengoba ukini eFree State, njengoba ukini eNorthwest, njengoba ukini eBulawayo eMatabeleland, njengoba ukini eBotswana, njengoba ukini ngisho even eMozambique naseZambia. Isizwe lesi sikhulu. Asikubonakalisa ukuthi sikhona siyaphila siyaphefumula. Mahlaba ezulu amahle. Over the last 4.5 decades, our people have risen to constitute a significant constituency of migrants across the Southern African region, especially here in South Africa. It is therefore incumbent upon us to try policy to protect migrants, discouraging adversive actions against migrants while encouraging reciprocal respect. Yiko ke bengikhuluma ngayo ngakho qhathekile ukuthi at the same time kusekhaya kodwa it's your father's house akho kwakho. Fuze sikhona ukuyifind ibalance between uku-abuse i-hosting emzini kababakho and going and developing your own space kwakho kini. Qhathekile siyazi simazi umehluko. Sihloniphe siyenze lento ngani ngedignity. And the emphasis on culture of Ubuntu and respect for human and cultural rights. Cultural identity and heritage. Over 100, for an example, monument sites, mountains, valley places, institutions across 8 countries in Southern Africa bear testimony and affirm shared history between Isizwe Kamthwakazi and other kingdoms. tribes and nations, recognizing as part of the broader Southern African historical continuum. We continue to build and strengthen and rebuild relations with kingdoms that our constituent tribes are derived from. We have embarked on a journey of reconciliation with others, strengthening the bonds between Insizwe Skamtwakas and some recent trips and engagements. I therefore make a clarion call towards harmonious coexistence and migration. Call for peace between locals and migrants, emphasizing that borders should not prevent cultural and economic unity. Le nhlonipho bengikhuluma ngayo yile ithi sinohluphe ekhaya kodwa umuntu angavala amasango okubuyela ekhaya. Insizwa lansizwa ayiyocela enduneni yayo umhlaba, occupy the land. Lana sizothatha nje ithuba ukuthi sikhokhe umoya siphefumule kodwa sazi ukuthi sinekhaya. Siphetheke kabi kodwa angeke sizixoshe ngokwethu. Mabasixosha basixoshayo kodwa thina angeke sizixoshe ngokwethu. Asiyeni siyokulima. Asibe nama projects e-irrigation esiwaranayo. Siyazi ukuthi amanzi ayinkinga ekhaya. Asibe nama projects esinosebenzisana ezisizwe makuvuselelo izimali ukuthiwa sisiphala senkosi singenze oma 2-3 months sikhathale ngoba egcineni when you need that service sekunzima uzobukheke kuphi ungakhange ulime. So asiqale nokulima silana eGoli. I10 rand yakho it goes far, believe me, because i10 rand yabantu abayi 1000 imali leyo 1 billion. Ngizabe ukuthi sibaningi imali yakho can reach 1 billion when it's managed well. We've got a business la Khuzana, investment vehicle esayiqala about 1.5 years ago. There's now ngavula amafoni la in shock about how much money is in there. I think we're sitting at R1 million of repetitive is malin fagwayo, but if we can achieve R1 million, you know, so achieve 10 million rand, for an example, within 6 months. In that group, I think they are sitting at 180 people, Maling. Now, if 180 people, 180 people can achieve R1 million rands, this is so 11 million, 14 million, whatever the number. I mean, I believe what says we got 20, 30, 40 million at this rate globally. In case. Siyawazi ama-sensors asekhaya ahamba njani. So ngibhale lana ke land stewardship and development address the need banbakithi of land management, honoring ancestral heritage while fostering agricultural productivity and equity. Last year, kuthengwe izinkomo from one of the millions. I think actually, to be exact, we were looking at about 600,000 rand spent on ukuthenga izinkomo. Ukuthi ibe feed lot, fatten them 3 to 5 months, resell, make profit, and so on. Unkulunkulu ke, it does not always work on our ngathini program. Sometimes uyakufaka nje yakutholiseka kanzima ukubonisa ukuthi ukhona aphinda akukhiphe enkingeni. Kuye kwangena i-foot and mouth. Wangena i-drought. uNkulunkulu wonke lo ohamba la. Kodwa ngizanibonisa ukuthi waphinda wenzani within a short space of time for isizwe sakithi ukubonisa ukutshengisa nje ukuthi ukhona. Wathi ngizonibambisa la i-foot and mouth, ngimbambisa i-drought, nginibambise futhi i-shortage ye-feed for izinkomo, so that nithole kanzima nje kancane nje for 2-3 months. Lo and behold, amabhunu asebenza nawo bathi no, you know what, because the price of inkomo has gone down, we are not, and on top of everything else, they were feeding our cows and managing the entire project. But Khulekani will give you back your money ngalendlela benifake ngayo. Niphinde ni-invest, my market is right. Nango uNkulunkulu esebenza. Ngizama ukuthi ungabonikezela ngoba you are facing difficult. One thing engibonile ngesizwe sakithi ukuthi we are resilient people. kunengoma kaMandoza babumalenga ethi indoda ingahluleka namhlanje sasiphinde ivuke. Yiko ke engicelayo esizweni ukuthi sibekezele kodwa sibekezele sibe sizama futhi sizama singabantu abanye ndawonye sibumbana sitshengisana ukuthi singabantu abanye. Mina amandla wami ngiwadobha kini angihamba lapha ngishayela ama tracks futhi ama nice akunamuntu othi hayi ayonkosi kaMthwakazi leya no, but the minute ngithwala umqhele there's a change in how they view me, but ayonkosi ubulelani leya hayi man lo kaMthwakazi uye man uye lo amandla ke lawo ke ngathola kini imicimbi asihambeni sibonise izizwe ukuthi sikhona, we exist. Nayi brethren in Christ umuntu on a Sunday akayeka ibhola abuye la azo support umfundisi kwi sermon mhlawumbe uzothola iprayer obungazothi uzoyithola kuphi ezolungisa izinto zobomi bakho nawe just as an individual. Sibuye nini emicimbini ngabiza imbizo anginohlala ne 3,000 yabantu every year. Bekumele by now I'm sitting on 20,000-30,000. This year I'm prophesying ukuthi ngizoba nomcimbi ekhaya at the stadium. Angeke ngisokola ama number kodwa siyasazi isizwe sakithi sihlezi kuma millions and millions of people. Hamba nini nikhuliseni amabutho, hamba nini mfundisi nikhuliseni amabandla enu. Angifuni ukubuya la ngisonto liyi1 brethren ay1 ngifuna uvula another one eMidrand. Ngisebenze nawe sibonisana ukuthi sizoyifinance kanjani kodwa it must always be part of the program yesizwe ukuthi amasonto siwavule. Kodwa ngeke sikwenze when we don't support each other. Nawe sometimes sithi sinomcimbi mfundisi uthi hayi isonto zoyichaya 1 hour ibe yi30 minutes abukuba khulula abantu baye embizweni. Siyacela mntomdala, siyacela asibambaleni sibenzaneni. Right, economic empowerment and poverty eradication. We must focus on tackling the unemployment and poverty through sustainable development, localized solutions, particularly focusing on the welfare of youth and women. Ke ngaxabana namabutho la. Ngiyakunxebela indlebe ke mfundisi ezubaba wami la ungabatsheli. Ngeke ngaxabana engalwisana namabutho la bathi hey kodwa isiko aluvuma ukuthi omama babuse ngalendlela babusa ngayo ngoba mandulo bakengekho njalo. Bathi mina madoda ngiyakuzwa lokho nikukhulumayo. But in every strategy there's a thing called a means to an end. Sometimes awazi ukuthi ingulube yanoniswa yini. Uzama amacebo alisiza. I-commission yamakhosi eGauteng province that was held in 2023. Yathi bonke abantu afuna izizwe zifisa uku-identifywa under the South African Constitution as abantu abaphilayo abaphefumulayo abakhoyo in this country. Kufuze benzeni submit applications. Now there were a lot of questions and prerequisites to qualify. Futhi if nifuna uma nenkosi eMzansi or a traditional leader rather eMzansi as that constituency, fuze niprove ukuthi ikhona la leader iyaphefumula iyasebenza umsebenzi wabantu. Nani ningabantu abakhoyo somewhere abakhombekayo ukuthi naba. Right? So one of the prerequisites in that, we had to list a percentage, I think it was about 40% if I'm not mistaken, of female leadership within our structures. If you fail to reach that quota, then you fail in submission yakho. Ngoba ilizwe lithi omama baqhakathekile nabo. Manje ke sengilwisana namadoda engisebenza nawo ukuthi hayi kwakungenziwa njalo ngokhokho. Hawu kanti kubusa ukhokho ukubusa ubulelani, which one is it? Decide. Decide. Hayi kabi mzilikazi khokho wami kodwa umdladla uthe sekulenkosi ngiyambelieve mina ngazi ngabanye. Siyabonga Mkhezo. Ngizama ukuthi uqhakathekile ukuthi senze izinto sithi besicele ukubuswa sesibuswa masibuseke. Ngesikhiwa bathi subjectify yourself for leadership in order to be led well. Ngoba ungacela ukuthi sicela inkosi then ithole inkosi then anisalalele inkosi kanti benifunani? Kanti besifunani? So subjectify yourself to that leadership so that that leader can lead well. Akwenzelele izinto ufisa umthuma zona ezizweni. Yeah, so angifuna ukukhuluma the whole day. Ngifisa nje ukhuza ukuthize. Mahlabezulu isimo siyasazi isimo esiphethe ngasekhaya. We know the situation lana eMzansi. We know we have become abantu abangama undesirables kodwa singaba lana. Sometimes kufuze uzithobe ngumuntu. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-social media. I-social media seyixake kakhulu. Ngoba abantu I think i-technology isheshe ya progress singeka hlale phansi sibonisaneni ukuthi imbeko i-etiquette yokuphilisana in social media kufuze ihambe njani. Simple example, ngaphuma la ngihlangane ne-stranger ngithi hey wena usiphukuphuku. I think I know the result of that discussion ukuthi izophelela kuphi. Kuzokhala isibhayekela. Now we go to social media sicabanga ukuthi akusasebenzi khonokho. Ukuthi singakhuluma nje amanga sikhulume nje izinto ezingekho ezingalunganga ngabantu esingabaziyo esingaziyo ukuthi futhi badlani ingane zabo zidlani kodwa siyakhuluma okungane we have facts. Etiquette asenayo indlela yokuphilisana on social media which is a serious platform. Unabantu abakhuluma into ezinkulu ngami umuntu zange wangibona akaze ngisho abangani bami but uyakubalisela a story esingekhoyo. And what they fail to understand is that there's a reputational damage that you do ebumeni bomuntu. Sithi siphuma la for an example insizwa lazishadile uphume usithi yesontweni ube nomuntu othatha an old video yakho maybe usemashwaleni athi no uqamba manga lo akosesontweni ayisende kumfazi wakho. Whether your wife believes it or not, the reputational damage in questioning will occur in your household. Sehlukumeza umuzi wakho umuntu engakwazi. Now we are facing a bigger issue ngoba abantu bakithi sebelwisana nabantu baseMzansi. Sesinama comments ekungamelanga siyawakhuluma publicly. Even though you may be right sometimes on the issue, ezinye izinto akufuzanga senze njani sizikhulume ngoba ziyalwisa. Umuntu somnikeza igunya lokho abuser ngoba so uphendlene naye. It's not about you wena ungumuntu oyi-one. It's about a society and a group of people ababambeneyo which is us that inevitably akuzukhonjwa wena ngoba waziwa wena kuzokhonjwa ubulelano kuzokhonjwa umkheso kuzokhonjwa umfundisi ngoba kuzothiwa ngabantu bakho lapha. Nawo mahlona ami azothini kukhulunywa ngecrime ukuthi ngabantu bami kukhulunywa everything a negative nje lana and a lot of the times I can't defend ngoba ngiyababona abantu bami bezenza lezi zinto. Asikhuza nini thina na indoda engihloniphayo mina on social media I waste isikhathi. In fact I think manje ngilane wami on social media uthi umuntu ekhuluma nje into ebheke ecaleni is there is addressing it futhi ngenhlonipho but and is very clear and decisive on his responses. That causes me to be excited ke ngithi ngivuka kusasa ngithi I want to defend him too. Akunamuntu onantshela lutho ngomalinga mina. Abangazi lapha I'm okay. I can hold my own. So ngizama ukuthi ngiyafisa ulwela wonke umuntu kodwa kunzima ulwela umuntu ongakhona ukuzilwela yena self. Ongenza izinto ngendlela nangohlelo. Mfundisi ngizoyinikeza kuwe ngithatha isikhathi sakho esiningi nani. Kodwa ngifuna nje ukubonga ukuthi wonke umuntu amkelekile emzini kaThixo kodwa emzini wakho wena Ncebo yenkosi nengane lezi, all the children that are here are all our children, noma umazi ngegama kodwa if ungumthwakazi, if umone ngesenza something la estrateni seyingane yakho and your problem, go and address it with umzali wakhe. Mawumbona ngamachithi ethu, ichithi yethu yangu fuze sibavikele sibakhusele ngazo zonke indlela. Kunokunye bengifisa ukukhuza ngike ngizwe ngama leaders amaguqa namachithi ukuthi benza izinto lengane engamelanga bayazenza. We know what we are talking about. Abazali are giving these children to us because we are supposed to be instilling discipline, ethics and care and love as if singabazali babo. Akufuzanga kube nengane ebuyayo seyimithi kodwa beye kwikhembiani yamachichi. I don't understand that the science, that technology. Ikwenze kanjani? Sifundisa ingane ukuthi stay away from drugs, stay away from this and that. And then wathina sibakhokhela sibafake in situations that way they are not protected. Lihlazo. Ngiyacela ke badala uthi anybody that has a sense of a child that is in a difficult situation, do not fear to report and trust us as the office yesizwe and yenkosi ukuthi will deal with it. So sesingenele lezi sitha kakhulu ama programs and groupings zethu. Let's hold the fort, let's pull together. Igama likathi Malusolungileyo Nkosi siyabonga. Badala ngikhohlwa nje eyogcina I-prayer point. Mfundisi ngiyaxolisa ngiyaphinda ngithatha isikhathi sakho la. It's just one point. Sengithole anti niyazi ukuthi kune case ebebengimophise ngayo ekhaya. Ubaba simbiza uZwide Kalanga. Uyivusele icase yakhona. Iyahlala ngoJuly, mid-July, I think 18 or 19 or 20, yeah? 20, yeah. Sika July. Angeke ngikamamanga mfundisi. Sometimes isitha siphuma endlini. Siphuma ngaphandle. Siqhame ngaphandle, siqhame endlini. Mina I am always of the belief that singahlala phansi sixoxe singabantu. For 8 years, mfundisi, we have tried to beg, negotiate, pray about it. Ukuthi le nto iphume ema court sihlaleni phansi sixoxe silungise sisombululo singamantungu isohlulile. So ngizocela usinikeza ama powers of discernment in a tough time. Mfundisi uthi xa sivezela indlela yokusombulula le nkinga le ngoba it's a very big problem. Seyidile okuningi ngomuntu omunye. One individual is holding us at ransom here. That is the fact and that is the truth. Logo sipota singakhuluma iqiniso all these years, but the time has come ukuthi at least in the house of the Lord sibe neqiniso, sibe ngabantu beqiniso. Siyacela ke mfundisi uyifake enhliziyweni, uyifake ekhanda, uyifake emthandazweni leni indaba ngoba isikhathi sesifikile ukuthi siyolwela isizwe sethu. Siyabonga baba.